(2017) plate BMW 420D M Sport Grand Coupe. We have 4 superb 20-inch alloy wheels in gloss black, LED headlights, black kidney grills, M Sport styling kit, which includes front splitter side skirts and also rear boot spoiler. There's another alloy wheel. We have M badging on the side, as well as black privacy glass, shark fin antenna, black window trim. Let's look at another alloy wheel. We also have dual exhaust flush with the rear bumper and rear diffuser, power assisted rear tailgate with a nice spacious sized boot. It's also power assisted back down again. This vehicle is free from any major mark dents or scratches and does look superb from every angle. Let's look at another alloy wheel. Go to the back of the car. We have full Dakota leather rear seats with ISOFIX points. We have electric windows. Let's go to the front of the car. Again, full Dakota leather front seat with extended thigh support if you may need it. We also have electric windows and integrated speakers. If we jump inside the car, we have auto lights, foot on the brake, we have keyless start, we also have multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter, so it's paddle shift stuck there as well. We also have auto wipers. And this vehicle has done just over 72,300 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dash. We also have satellite navigation with ProNav. We have media connectivity. We have DAB radio. Go across, go down. We have Bluetooth audio and also USB connectivity. If we go into connections, we have phone connectivity. And down here we have dual zone climate control. We also have heated front seats, which work just as you would expect it to. We also have 2 nice sized cup holders with 12 volt connectivity. We also have different drive modes, where we have Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus. You can also turn traction control on and off, and also turn front and rear parking sensors on and off. Pop it into reverse. There's a look at the front and rear parking sensors. This is what you use to control everything that happens on the screen. Soft touch leather armrests, which can move forwards and back, and also some storage in there as well. There's a look at the passenger seat with extended thigh support. This vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HBI clear, comes with a fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitively finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of 2017 17-plate BMW 420D Grand Coupe M Sport. Purpose of this video is to show that the vehicle drives as it should, and as you can see, I'm having to fight with the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. We have cruise control and speed limiter, which you can use the multifunction steering wheel on the left to control. We also have manual mode where you can use the paddle shift, so currently in 6th, down to 5th, down to 4th, back up to 6th. So if you let the car take back over, you can also push the gear stick to the left and it'll go into manual mode. You can also use the gear stick to change down, so in 6th, 5th, 4th, 3rd, into 2nd and into 1st. Just let the car take back over, simply push back to the right and the car go back into automatic. We have very comfy full Dakota leather seats, which are also heated, so cold days like today, they work a treat. We also have extended thigh support, so you can easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. We have different drive modes, where we have Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus, and you can really feel the difference between each mode. We also have satellite navigation, as you can see on the screen in the centre. We also have DAB radio, so as Bluetooth connectivity, USB connectivity and also phone connectivity. As you can hear, there's no unwanted knocks or bangs in this vehicle, as you'd be looking out for if you were driving this vehicle today. It is a very smooth going car. Here at RS Car Sales, we've been doing deliveries the past 3-4 years now, and with the COVID-19 situation, many businesses have struggled. Us, on the other hand, we feel like we're quite well prepared. Before, we did nationwide next day delivery, we now do contactless nationwide next day delivery. We also sanitize our hands and the keys before we get into any vehicle, just to ensure your safety and ours. We have over 300 5-star reviews on Google, Auto Trader and Car Gurus. And if you read the reviews, our customers really do alliterate the fact of how good we are to buy for and how caring of a company we actually are. Right now, I'm coming up to the industrial estate, and I'm looking for an emergency stop, and we're also going to put it straight into reverse just to show you that the brakes work as they should, and you can see the front and rear parking sensors. So here we go. On the brakes, straight into reverse, as you can see in the centre, the front and rear parking sensors. Straight back into drive, no issues whatsoever. If you haven't answered all of your questions in a test drive video and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact where we can do a FaceTime video where we can answer all your questions and show you around the vehicle if we may have forgotten anything. But that's it from me, so thank you very much for watching.